We're going to do an elastic collision again, this time with cart A and cart C, which are of two different masses. So we'll have them collide coming in opposite directions, and then they'll collide in the center here and bounce back. And we'll use the photo gates to find out their initial and final speeds. So after doing the calculations from the times from the photo gates, we find the system's initial momentum to be negative 0.28 kilogram meter per second, and its final momentum to be negative 0.273. So slightly off again, but it's still pretty close. Nothing's perfect, nothing's perfectly frictionless, nothing's perfectly accurate as far as the mass of each cart, but again, it's pretty close.